Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much. Please do well by clicking on the subscribe button below. Turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on this channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make an home remedy, to help you enhance, your joystick strength, to make you last long dear. So this home remedy will help you enhance your manpower so that you will get this stamina you've been craving for. If you want your wife to cry for more, then you have to watch this video from start to finish. And perhaps you are a wife, you want to increase the level of your libido. Okay, I will not call it as it should because you too frown at some words. So whenever I throw it like that, please try as much as possible to grab it. So girls, ladies, women, this remedy will help you, increase the level of your libido so that you have the strength, you have the, the energy and the urge, to last with your husband, down there. Okay, so and this remedy, even if you are a nursing mother, this will also help you, in the flow of your milk. Okay, this will also help you. This is actually a miracle drink that I cannot even begin to talk about the facts and the benefits of this drink. Okay, but what we are aiming at is to help you enhance your manpower, is to help you increase the strength of your joystick, and for women it will help you increase the level of your libido, as in okay, don't let me use this my big mouth to be calling it as it should be. Okay, so this drink will help you, like you are going to be like enjoying yourself more and more and more. If you are a man using this drink, trust me, your woman will never hire any man again. And if you are a woman using this, okay, okay, now if you say your husband no dey go anywhere again, this is a love potion drink that man should give woman should give man, and everything enters together and let it roll like that. This drink, you're going to enjoy it and you're going to come back to my comment section to leave your own testimony, because this drink is no joke. It works, like it works. So please help my ministry too by watching the hearts on this video. Do not click out. Watch this video from start to finish, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important. This girl is begging you. Okay, so without further say and do, let's dive into the video. So for this remedy, I'm going to be using Tigernut. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly till it's clean. You can wash it 2 times or 3 times, it depends. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is dates. So what I'm doing now, I want to remove the seed inside the dates. So make sure you are careful with your hand too, because this date is very strong. So this is the seed I removed from it, so I have to do it to every date I'm using. So please, when you are doing this, be careful with your hand. So now I've separated the seed from the dates. So this is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be adding some water. Please, you can add coconut, but I cannot lay my hands on coconut now. That is why I'm not using it. Okay, but this also works like, really good. You can also add coconut if you want to, but I can't lay my hands on coconuts, but this will also work perfectly well. So voila, this is the milk. We've extracted, the remedy, and trust me, after drinking this, you're going to come back to my comment section, for your testimony. Okay, so please, if you are doing much of this, keep it in the fridge. Do not keep it outside the fridge because it will get spoiled. So to avoid the story that touches the heart, always keep this in the fridge. If you are not drinking it immediately after doing it, make sure you keep it in the fridge. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope this video is interesting. If you find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video because someone else might need it. Okay, so please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video.